This video will highlight all the key features you need to know about the Café Couture Oven, a smart countertop appliance designed to make cooking easier and more enjoyable. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this oven in the description below for the latest price. Let's start with its capacity, because that's often the first thing people want to know about when it comes to a countertop oven. The Café Couture Oven offers a generous 25-liter interior, which means you can fit a 12-inch pizza, a 9x13-inch cake pan, or even a family-sized casserole dish. It's not just for small snacks, it's designed to handle party-style meals without needing a full-sized oven. The real highlight of this appliance is its 14 essential cooking modes. From everyday tasks like baking, roasting, or toasting, to more specialized functions like proofing dough, dehydrating, and slow cooking, this oven covers a wide range of cooking needs. Of course, it includes modern favorites like air fry and a dedicated pizza mode, but the standout feature is CrispFinish. This allows you to add that perfect golden brown or caramelized texture at the end of cooking, which really makes a difference if you want restaurant quality results at home. On the smart side of things, the Café Couture Oven comes Wi-Fi connected, letting you control it with your voice through devices like Amazon Echo or Google Home. You can also use the Smart HQ app to start cooking remotely, adjust settings, or even download updates for new features. That's a huge plus for anyone who likes convenience and keeping their appliances future-ready. Ease of use is another strong point here. With simple knob controls and a bright LCD display, you can quickly set modes, times, and temperatures. The 6 heating elements ensure faster preheating and even cooking, with a temperature range from as low as 80 degrees for proofing to as high as 450 degrees for air frying or roasting. Of course, no product is without trade-offs. At 28 pounds, it's not the lightest countertop oven, so you'll want to find a dedicated spot for it. Also, while the smart features are fantastic, some people may find the app setup a bit technical. However, for the range of functions and the premium stainless steel build, this oven really stands out as a long-term investment. Overall, the Café Couture Oven is more than just a compact appliance, it's a versatile, stylish, and smart addition to any kitchen.